Hello everyone, this is Sandy with Sandy's Travel and Gardening Adventures. I'm having a bad hair day, so you're not going to see me. Anyway, I have to have a little snack I'm going to take to a meeting later on, and was looking around in my pantry to see what I could do, and I thought I'd make drizzled popcorn. And so I got this little handy dandy machine there for Christmas. It's an air popper, and it tastes pretty good. So I did one little hopper full, which made about 8 cups. So you want 8 cups of popcorn. And then you need 2 tablespoons of shortening divided. A half a cup of what I'm going to be using is peanut butter and chocolate. I'm going to drizzle both of those on there. So the peanut butter, but the chocolate, I don't have any milk chocolate, and I have semi-sweet chocolate, but I'm going to end up and use this dark chocolate. That's, we're going to tease ourselves and tell us it's healthier. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to put a half a cup of each in each bowl, and then we're going to microwave them one at a time for 30 seconds, and then we stir it down, see if it's melted, and then we're going to do another 10 seconds until the chocolate or peanut butter chips have melted. So let me get that started. Here's what they look like before they go in the microwave. So you can see the chips and the shortening is in there. This is the chocolate after 30 seconds. So I'm going to put it back in for another 10 and then come back and stir it again. You just don't want to, you want to keep doing that every 10 seconds so you don't burn the chocolate, and that'll ruin the whole thing. So let me put it back in for another 10 seconds. So it is getting melted here, and you can actually do this on a double broiler. But I find it's easier to do it in a microwave and less chance of scorching. So I guess another 10 seconds or so, and I'll be back. So my chips are now melted and smooth, and it took a total time of 50 seconds. So we're just going to take this, and then we're going to drizzle this over our popcorn. Now I have the popcorn laying in a sheet pan with wax paper underneath it, and so once I get this drizzled on, I'm going to let it dry a little bit, and then put the peanut butter on it. But I'm going to, once this gets hardened, I'm going to move these around because they're kind of double layered, not single layered. So I'm afraid I won't get even coverage. So if I put the chocolate on first and then come back and do the peanut butter once I stir it. It takes about 10 minutes for the chocolate to harden up, so I can then turn the popcorn, kind of break up the pieces and turn them over so I can get the peanut butter side to them, and that way it gives good coverage on all my popcorn pieces. So you guys see what I'm doing there. Alright, let me finish this up. So in about 10 minutes I'll come back, and this should all be good to go, and I can turn it over and play with it a little bit without getting chocolate everywhere. And as you can see, it's already starting to solidify. And so in 10 minutes I'll be back, and then I'm going to start melting the peanut butter chips. So now that it's cooled, what I'm going to do is start melting the peanut butter chips. Okay, so here's what it looks like 30 seconds in. I'm really not doing so hot on this. Alright, let me give it a good stirring, and I'm going to put it back in for another 10 seconds. Alright, it's looking better now. You know, it seems to get smoother, but it's going to have to go in for another 10 seconds. Okay, I finished drizzling the peanut butter on top. Melted peanut butter chips, that is. And so I'm going to let this sit here till it gets, the chocolate gets nice and firm. And if you want to, you can actually do this by sticking this in your refrigerator. One, I don't have enough room in my refrigerator. Two, and it's pretty cool in the house, so this should solidify pretty quickly. And then all I'm going to do is put it in a baggie and take it with me. This is yummy goodness. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to y'all later.